Okay. Okay, starting your ride.
Welcome aboard the Ocean Quest Express. Today's mission, an underwater I Spy adventure. First assignment, find the clamshells. If you see the pearls, make some noise. Did you know that pearls are formed inside a clam to protect itself from bacteria or other unfamiliar things? That's clamtastic. Next stop, the Ocean Quest Express Tunnel, where many soft-bodied octopus have made themselves at home. Let's see how many you can find.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You know how many animals you can find? If you said 8, you're right! An octopus has a round-shaped head, unlike its close cephalopod cousin, the squid, who has a triangular-shaped head. Wow! Fun fact! Did you know that the ocean is home to over 6,000 known species of coral? Look around and see if you can see some colorful ocean occupants. Did you know that coral are actually animals? That's right! Although they're sometimes mistaken for plants because of their branch-like features, or rocks for their hard skeletons, these ocean creatures are in fact alive! Thank you for joining us on the Ocean Quest Express. We hope you've enjoyed your tour and learned a little about the animals that call the ocean home. For those of you waiting in line, stand by. Your ocean adventure will begin soon.